Line went to the yellow and black Corvette. Troy makes a little bit of a move outside of the stripe, and how about 593.1 beats a 592.3. Chip Ellis keeping him honest down at the finish line, but Troy Kaufman was holding 0.04 of a second advantage, won it on the starting line. He was over there. Chip King was behind it by 0.04 of a second, another about half a car margin of victory. Chip King had the quicker run. Troy Coughlin had the better light, and Troy Coughlin ends up at the finish line first. Running that 593.
Here goes watch.
So Troy Coughlin lighting up the wheel line. That puts a little bit of added pressure on Mike Janis. Well, 2014 body for over the laser side of the racetrack. Janis, 400 points coming into the second to last race. The Vermont Series holds that lead by a slim couple rounds, and when it was qualifying, Mike Janis went in that final round of qualifying in a precarious position. He did not yet put his car into the lead. Guys went up in the points. They had somehow figured out all weekend. Rolled out ranked 584 to get all the way up to the number 2 spot.
You want one of those?
In the first round of eliminations, Mike Janis put another 585 run up on the scoreboard. So since they figured it out, he's been locked in that mid-580 range. And Bob Ray crossed away that 2015 Corvette. He's also trying to gather up points for a championship. So Blown versus Nitrous match up again.